Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we are going to be visiting the Wilderness Run Alpine Coaster in Banner Elk, North Carolina. So just like the name describes, this is somewhat of a roller coaster and it is self-guided. Seth and I have actually done something like this in the past in Pigeon Forge. So we're going to be visiting this one today because it's just a little bit closer to home. But of course, as usual, we're going to take you guys along with us. So if you'd like to join us, let's go.
We've made it to the Alpine coaster. We're going to head inside and check in for our reservation time.
So this is a very large establishment. We're super excited to actually get to the coaster and see what the setup looks like. So we do enter here through the gift shop. This is where we're going to check in and get our tickets. But here's a quick look at the prices for the coaster. And as you can see, they are pretty busy today. And fun fact, you can film on this coaster at your own risk. So we've got our tickets here. We're going to go ahead and get in line for the Alpine coaster. And right now it is a pretty long wait, so I'm hoping we can get through this line pretty quickly. And here is some of the rules as well as the start of the safety video. And as you guys can see, this is a two-person ride vehicle. And we've made it a little closer to the actual ride vehicle, so here's a quick look. So we've made it to our ride vehicle, and don't worry if you don't know what to do, the team members give you personalized safety instructions. And there's a quick look at Seth behind me getting ready as well.
Alright, go and push those handlebars forward for me.
Sure.
The further down your handlebars are, the faster you go.
Okay.
Go back, slow down, just don't stop, alright?
But I can slow down and curve and stuff. Okay, cool.
Right, teach you up the hill by itself, just make sure you push forward at the very top.
Push forward at the top, okay. And this week's subscriber of the week is Amy. Amy, thank you for watching and commenting on our last adventure episode. If you too would like to be the subscriber of the week, check the comments to see how to enter. And don't forget to scan your ticket and check out your ride photos after your ride. Alright guys, so we just got back from the Alpine coaster. It was fun overall, but there are a couple things we wanted to let you guys know about just in case you visit. So the rules were a little bit unclear for the coaster. We done our research beforehand and their website did say that adults were not allowed to ride together, so we expected that. However, when we got there, the posted rules did say the same thing. However, their safety video actually showed 2 adults riding together.
Yeah, and it mentioned that you could, if you with
like
both
a weight
of you within a weight limit, if you fit within that, you could. But then we're actually going to try to ride together, but then they didn't let us, so we just rode single rider, which was still fine.
Yeah, it was just we were a little bit confused because things weren't necessarily matching up. Second thing was that we did make a reservation for 3 o'clock. That was the only way we could actually participate. So the reservations were actually something that were required. So we made the reservation for 3, and it was about 45 minutes before we even actually got to ride on the Alpine coaster, which is fine. We just didn't plan accordingly for that.
Yeah.
Just because
maybe because it's just like more busy on a Saturday.
Yeah, but we were just confused about kind of like the purpose of making the reservation since we had to wait, which again, it was fine. We just wanted to let you guys know about that. But some of the rules were just kind of confusing. Like it said women had to wear ponytails, or no, sorry, not ponytails. You had to wear like your hair in a bun.
Yeah.
Nobody was doing that. So we were just a little bit confused about the rules. So it's going to be best for you guys if you do visit just to stop and talk to one of the employees and kind of ask them your party specific questions, and just kind of prepare for it that way, and prepare for a little bit of a long wait time, because we only did the single ride, just one ride, but people could actually buy like multiple rides for their ticket, and those people were not required to get off. They just kept circling back and forth, which made the wait really long. And that's fine. I mean, I wouldn't want to stand in line again, myself, just to keep going back, but that just made the wait a little bit long. But overall, the coaster was really fun. It was very similar to the one that we've done in the past. It's kind of in your control. You get to control how fast and how slow you go. But it was really fun. It was about, I think, $16 for both of us. So it was really fun. We had a great time. You enjoyed yourself, I assume.
Yeah, that was awesome.
And we hope you guys enjoyed the new footage that we were able to capture. We got some new equipment, so hopefully we're going to have some more of those POVs for you guys coming in the future. But we would love for you guys to like this video. Make sure that you comment. Let us know if you've ever been to anything similar to the Alpine coaster that we visited today. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.